Welcome to Renata's Bonk Cookhouse. Today I will prepare Kaju Murgi Kosha or Cashew chicken curry. This traditional Indian curry is a side dish that goes very well with any rice recipe and Indian bread recipe like roti, paratha, puri, naan and kulcha. This super tasty recipe is fit for any guest and any special occasion and festival. This recipe has many variations. I will show you how I make it. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like, subscribe and bell icons below so that I can share more recipes with you. The ingredients we need are chicken with bones 1 kg, skinless, cut into small pieces, cashew 1 cup, roasted or raw, grinded into cashew paste with 1 cup of water, grinded ginger and garlic 2 tablespoons each, grinded in mortar and pestle or hamandista, grinded onion 1½ large, grinded in mixture and grinder with 1/4 cup of water, crushed masalas comprising of cumin and coriander seeds 2 tablespoons each, crushed in mixer and grinder using chopping option twice. Garam masala comprising of crushed cardamom 4, cloves 4, cinnamon 1 stick. Shahi masalas comprising of kebab chini 3, jayatri or mace, half flour, jaifal or nutmeg 1/8 of a seed, curd half cup, turmeric powder 1½ tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1½ tablespoon, salt to taste, mustard oil 2 tablespoons used for traditional flavor and taste, refined oil 10 to 18 tablespoons, ghee 1 teaspoon, bay leaf 1, green chilies 5 to 8 slit in the middle. To make Kaju chicken kosha, we first have to marinate the chicken. For that, in a bowl, take chicken, curd, turmeric powder about ½ tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder about ½ tablespoon, salt about 1 teaspoon, and mustard oil about 2 tablespoons. Mix them well and marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. While the chicken is marinating, we will prepare the masalas. For that, heat about 1 teaspoon of ghee and about 10 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan and bring it to fumes. Add the bay leaf, garam masalas and shahi masalas. Saute in low heat for 1 minute. Add the crushed coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add the onion, ginger, garlic and tomato. Saute in medium to high heat till the masala separates from the pan. Add oil if required. Add it about 8 tablespoons of refined oil. Add the turmeric powder about 1 tablespoon and about 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix them well. Saute for 5 minutes in medium to high heat. To cook the chicken, add the marinated chicken, cashew paste, about 5 green chilies, about ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes in medium to high heat. After 4 to 5 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Add about 2 cups of water. Water used here is a mixture of water and remaining cashew, curd and masala left in the containers. Mix them well. Cover the pan and cook for 8 to 10 minutes in medium to high heat. After 8 to 10 minutes, open the pan, stir for 1 minute, transfer it to the pressure cooker. Add about 1 to 1½ cups of water and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Pressure cook for 10 to 15 minutes in medium to high heat. After 10 to 15 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Taste it, add whatever is required. Added green chilies, about 3 slit in the middle. For technical glitch, these steps are not captured. With a fork or knife, poke few chickens. In our case, it gets through easily. It means it's done. Otherwise, cook for some more time. Taste again. Add whatever is required. I've added about half teaspoon of salt. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.